In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew all your listings on Facebook Marketplace instantly. If you're someone who frequently sells items on Facebook Marketplace, keeping your listings fresh is essential to maximize your visibility and ensure your items are seen by potential buyers. Fortunately, Facebook makes it quite easy to renew your existing listings, and today we'll go through it step by step. First, the journey begins at the heart of our task: Facebook. Open up your browser or your app and log into your Facebook account using your credentials. After successfully logging in, you're likely to see a variety of options on your homepage. Your focus should be on the Marketplace icon, which usually resembles a small shop front. It's typically located on the left-hand side of your screen if you're using a desktop, or along the bottom bar in the mobile app. Once you click on the Marketplace, you will be greeted by a range of listings that cater to various interests, but we need to dive into the specifics of renewing your listings. Direct your attention to the Selling tab. It is located within the Marketplace's sidebar on the desktop, or found under the Your Account section within the Marketplace tab on mobile. This is your personal selling dashboard where all the magic happens, a bit like your virtual storefront. On the selling page, you'll see a list of all your currently active listings. Locate the listing you want to renew. Beside each listing, you'll spot 3 small vertical dots. These are your gateway to additional options. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu, presenting you with various actions you can take for that listing. Among these options, you'll find the Renew Listing option. Selecting this will refresh your listing and bring it back to the forefront of the Marketplace, increasing its visibility. This is like giving your items a makeover, ensuring they're presented afresh to potential buyers. A crucial tip to remember is that Facebook generally allows for a listing to be renewed every 7 days. So make sure you take advantage of this feature to keep your listings updated and in the spotlight. Regular renewal can make a significant difference as many users search for newly posted items. By renewing your listings, you essentially bump them up in the search feed, making them more likely to catch the eye of a browsing buyer. And that's it. You've successfully renewed your listings on Facebook Marketplace. By keeping this routine, you ensure your items are seen as current and active, giving them the best chance to attract attention and find new homes. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling.